Bangkok. A city visited by over 22 million tourists every year, it's easy to get lost in the crowd. Overflowing with life and energy. But what if I told you there was another side to Bangkok? A side where you can escape the chaos and discover hidden places and stories. But where do you start in a city this big? First, we are doing some internet research, looking for Google reviews of attractions, recommendations and travel forums. Right after we found ourselves in Lumpini Park, trying to clear our minds and escape the city's relentless pace. But still, it's often crowded with big groups of tourists. So our advice for you is to ask locals for their favorite spots and find out where they escape the crowds. After getting some secret tips, we checked the map and found out that just right next to the famous tourist park was our first real hidden destination. Explore it with us.
This is our second time in Bangkok. When we started our trip in Southeast Asia last year, the city's energy was overwhelming, so we stuck to popular tourist spots and missed its true essence. After exploring remote areas in Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, and Cambodia, we have learned to connect more deeply with local cultures. And here is our second hidden place we have discovered in Bangkok.
Exploring Bangkok from above is an exciting experience. Flying the drone gives you a whole new view of the city, making familiar places look completely different. From the sky, you lose your sense of direction and spot patterns and connections you can't see from the ground. It's like uncovering a new layer of Bangkok's true essence, revealing a side of the city you've never seen before. Bangkok is this, but also that. Create your own adventure in Bangkok, visiting the famous destinations like the Grand Palace or the Wat Arun, but also explore your surroundings with curiosity and an open eye. Interested about what we discovered in Cambodia? We'll bet you've never heard of what happened there. Check it out here.